It's percent poppy, you dig? Today's trade, we did 91% in an IWM 246 call. Most people think you need a lot of money to trade options. Not the case at all. We only spent $18 per contract, sold at $35 per contract. So we made a profit of $17 for each contract that we bought. And before I got into the trade, I told everybody to watch this, what I was looking for. IWM, looking for a potential bounce, all right, between this area, 244.52, between 244.30. Big supports in this area. Why? Because they're in the higher time frames. Pivot on the 1 day, 9 EMA on the 1 day, pivot on the 4 hour. I say I'm looking for a bounce, which is 1 to 3 candles. We did this trade on live voice. Let's get into the trade. Support and resistance. Support, that is the floor, all right, and if something hits the support, then that means it's going to bounce up. All right, if we have something on the resistance, and if it hits the ceiling, that means it's going to come down. And in this trade, it was going to be a bounce because there wasn't going to be enough bearish volume for it to continue down that direction. If you look right here, the supports that I put on the daily watch list, this is going to be a strong area. Also, we have this pivot here on the 5 minute. Right here, this was my alert to let me know that the potential bounce area was coming. So I entered right here. Why did I enter right here instead of waiting out here? I had this pivot right here. I knew there was a chance that it may bounce early, so I wanted to get in. Was there a chance that as soon as I got in that I may be down some? Yes, and I actually was. I think I was down 15 to 20% at one point because I knew it still had to come down, but I did not want to miss the bounce. So I got in just a tad early. It came down, but what happened? It bounced up. Why? Because it didn't have enough bearish momentum to break through all of these supports. And I knew because these are in a higher time frame that it was going to be stronger. Bounce up. This is one 5 minute candle. We had another 5 minute candle and it broke through these resistances. It broke through the 9 EMA and also the 21 on the 4 hour. I was already at 91%. I got out because again, we have this resistance right here. And also I said a scalp. I was only looking for 1 to 3 candles. 1, 2, 3. And I was in a trade for 10 minutes. So if you're interested in learning options or join our Discord, go ahead and type wealth inside the comments. And remember, percentage over everything. And let's get this.